How to remove CapCut logo at the end. This is the problem most people frequently needs to deal with. So let me make it easier for you. To remove the CapCut logo at the end, all you have to do is open the CapCut. Now once you create the project, the CapCut logo will automatically be added at the end, as you can see here. Now in order to delete it, simply select the logo at the end, this black space, select it and simply tap on this delete, and that's it. The CapCut logo has been deleted at the end. Now if you want to add it again, just tap on add ending and it will be added. It's a simple process. Just all you have to do is select it and delete it like this. If you are struggling to delete the watermark, just watch my previous video I uploaded. It's a super easy process. So yeah, that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video tips. Thank you for watching.